All right, sorry for the bumpy ride. I gotta put my glove on. I had to take it off. I thought I could push it, but it didn't. Okay, here we go. There's a street somewhere in there. Oh my God, I got so many of these freaking light things. There's none of them working. Yes, I have a backpack on. Best idea ever. Wow, you can't see the street. I wanted to wear the white coat, but I think, look at it. There's the so they can't even see a curb in here. I was gonna wear a white coat, but then they said if you're gonna go out, make sure you're visible. So I went with the red coat. I have an orange scarf with my super warm NY, I don't know, DKNY thing. Someone shoveling over there. Whoa! Didn't see that. Wow. You see my foot? Can you see the foot? See, that's the place I was saying I could take a break because of the scaffolding. So that's pretty good. There's cars. It doesn't look like the plows are here at all. I didn't bring a scarf. I have the little neck thing on. Oh wait, step down for a second. Look at the snowdrift. Wow. Okay. Ah! Good times. Oh my God, oh my God. Seriously, I lost my leg in there. Damn. Yeah, these drifts are a bitch. Holy shit. Oh my God. Damn. Whew. Wait a minute. I gotta breathe. Okay. I put lots of layers of socks on. Do you think it broke through? This is usually where I take a little break and breathe, but then we'll go into the scaffolding. He's putting salt down. She's shoveling. My face hurts. It's a curb, oh, that's good. Holy cow, I can't see anything. Shoveler, turn around, hello friend. What's that? Oh, so fun. Oh God, okay, wait, there's a sewer there, so let's aim over here. Okay, cool. Okay. I love how it forms though. Oh my God, I took the wrong path. Shit. Shit. Okay, there we go. My face hurts. My face hurts. I wanted to lean over there, but I guess we're gonna lean over here. Excuse me. Oh, my face hurts. My face hurts. My face hurts. My little scarf is already covered in snow. Oh, there's the plow guy. You can see him. Oh, this is better. Oh my God, my face is hurting so much. I do have my power braids on to try and keep this hair neat. Sorry, I put the glove back on. I got two gloves on. I got my fingerless gloves and these. I only have two pairs of regular gloves. And, well, we're down to one because I can't find one. They're like socks. Alright, let's go. Almost there. Cars! Fellow New Jerseyans, I love you! Let's go to the park! Best idea ever, the backpack. That might be my new way now. I used to always do the backpack. It actually helps because it pulls my back. Like, because my curves and all. Yeah, you're gonna hear a lot of sniffing. My face is cold. My nose is running. And I have not eaten yet. I'm not breaking the fast yet. This is when your body burns the fat. Because right now my body's saying we gotta keep warm. And we gotta burn fuel. And that fuel is the fat. So hopefully I'll have no tummy by the time I get back in. Wouldn't that be nice? Get rid of that stomach of mine. Okay, wait, I need to breathe. Okay. Sorry for the deep breathing. It's a bit of a walk. Through the feet of snow. I tell you, my face is hurting. Oh shit, it hurts. Wow, they're plowing over there. Oh my god. Wow. In the park. Wow, that's awesome footage. Let's go. Oh my god, where's the corner? God, I don't know where the corner is. Shit. Wait. Okay, here's the street. Do not hit me, car. Oh my god, did they think of us pedestrians at all here? I gotta walk here. Damn. That baby car should not be on the road. He does not have big tires. Alright, I have to walk the street. I couldn't get through that. Now my hood is shifting and I can't see. Alright, this is where I'm coming to. So. Okay. Alright. I gotta climb this mountain. Climb every mountain. Oh god, wait. Oh Jesus Christ, that was much thicker than I thought. Okay. We're here. We're here. Alright. We did it. Beautiful. Look at them cleaning. God bless the DWP. Thank you for your services. Oh wow, are they coming closer? Ooh, if only my hand was free, I could zoom in. Wow. Wait, where is it? I'm confused. Where is it? Where's the camera? I'm really confused. Where are they? How come I'm seeing them? There we go. I know the tree's in the shot, but I'm actually like in a clear spot to stand for a minute. Wow, wait to see what's coming by. That puts out salt. Wow, I got here the right time. All the action. I can't feel my face. That was a cool turn. Talented. That's so cool. Watch him turn and come this way, and I gotta run. Can't really run. Alright, I'm gonna go over there and do the volcanoes.